3 ways to get your team engaged and using the BoldTrail platform. If you're looking for ways to get your agents more engaged so that they use the systems and of course they produce using the systems, there's lots of ways that you can go about this. These are just 3 quick ways that are coming to mind for me this morning as I woke up for some reason thinking about this issue. So anyway, number 1 is going to be to get your agents plugged into our awareness channels here. You are sitting on one of our awareness channels, this Facebook group for BoldTrail owners, but we have the YouTube channel, we have a bigger Facebook group. We also do have a specific BoldTrail agents group that's a little bit new. You can search for that on YouTube, but you can see the 2 URLs here. And the idea here is that our team is regularly posting tips, tricks, event invites, all kinds of stuff that will engage your agents. And if you get them subscribed to these channels, the evil algorithms, right, on YouTube or Facebook, the algorithms will kind of take over and make sure that out of the corner of their eyes, your agents are constantly seeing stuff related to the system on those channels. So if you could, send an email to your team today. Maybe tell them to go subscribe to InsideRealEstate.com/YouTube, InsideRealEstate.com/Facebook group. Of course, these are also linked from within the BoldTrail dashboard. Hopefully your agents are finding them there. But just to be sure, make sure you're letting them know either via a team email or even when you're talking to them, make sure that they are plugged into the awareness channels here, and our team and the Eagle algorithms will do the rest. Second one is just require the completion of the agent quick start. If you go into the training and learning path under the more menu in the system, there's an agent quick start. It's the basics of the system. It shouldn't take much more than an hour for somebody to get through, and you can take as soft or a hard of a line on this as you want to. You could just say, hey, go take it, or you could say, look, you got to take that thing and finish it or you're not going to receive your next commission check. You can be as harsh as you want. I'm just leaving that as an example, and maybe you want to go that far with it, or you do some kind of bonus if they complete the agent quick start. Maybe you hook them up with some extra GCI on the next deal they do. Maybe you just buy them lunch. You can use your imagination there, but incentivize your agents to complete the agent quick start or straight up require them. The last thing you'll see here is I do say you could require completion of the course before being included in lead distribution. So that brings us to number 3 on the list here of our 3 ideas today, and that is simply send leads their way through the system. Now I know this might not be the most popular idea because it could require some extra money out of your pocket and some investment, but it could make sense depending on your scenario where you go ahead and invest in something like a property boost or one of the other marketplace items or just any third-party lead generation sources you have working for you, and you say, hey, any leads coming in through this source, I'm going to use the lead routing feature in BoldTrail. I'm going to make sure all my agents are at least getting maybe a few leads a week so that they're being notified that the system is doing something for them. Now, I would definitely make sure that the agents are aware that you're doing that, and that you're getting credit, not the system, because we don't want your agents to think that the system's just going to give them the leads for no reason. But you could say, hey, to get you going on the system, I'm going to seed you for a few months with some leads or a few weeks with some leads so you can get used to using the system. Just know that if you close any of those, there's a referral fee or whatever you want to do, just to give you an example. So number 3 is send leads their way to get them exciting. The property boost option is probably your easy button under Marketplace. You could just go order that, set up the routing. Our team can help you set up the routing so that all your agents are getting at least a few leads a week there. So those are our 3 ideas here this morning. Get your agents plugged into the awareness channels, require completion of that agent quick start. It's just a really good way for them to get to know the system, and then maybe consider sending leads their way. If you have other ideas or you want to share with other members of the BoldTrail owners community here, other ideas and ways that you're getting your agents engaged in using the system, let us know. And just know that we have a lot more coming on this front. Some really exciting stuff that'll help you engage your agents and get them engaged. I just have been thinking about this a lot. Woke up this morning and said, hey, let's get started with this endeavor here. Let's start talking about this topic. And these are 3 ideas that you can implement right away. Go ahead and comment down below with any ideas you have, or just let me know what you think and if you want more of this type of stuff here in the BoldTrail owners community. Thanks.